Sign language.
Pipi yung isa. Or we have 2 tour guides. One is, mute.
Ito yun.
Hindi, may mute nga yung sa tour guide. Dalawa sila.
Magaling yan, no?
Magaling yan. Say hi. Hi, Manang. Where are you going?
To Island Happy. 7 destination.
7 destination. Ay, Silva. Asa mo pa dong? Tagbilara. Hi, Riz. Asa mo pa dong, Riz? Maribo. Hi, ma'am. Where are you going?
Secret!
Secret. Hawa ko yung bag mo, Dai.
Bakit ako? Ay, yung occlusion na rin doon.
Nandito. Meron na. Diretso daw, diretso. Diretso. Follow the guide, the one with the towel. Right here. Right here.
Lagyan ng gamit niya, sir. Ibang siya.
Dalawa. Baka sa kayak sila rin pagkasama dalawa.
Paano mo, Regine?
Rejan, sir. Rejan.
Rejan.
Yes.
Saan tayo pupunta?
We're going to Coron Island, which is only the sleeping giant right there.
How many
So
stops?
we have 7 stops today, 7 destinations: Kayangan, Barracuda, Twin Peaks, Balisa Sayo, Coral Garden, Beach 91, Siwisi Beach, and then the Twin Lagoon.
Nice. Ito yung boat natin, no?
Our boat is
That's the
right there,
boat.
the Got Lucky.
Oh, the got lucky. Oh, God.
So we got lucky today.
We got lucky. We got lucky today. Because our boat is
Just
got lucky. Just got lucky. Time, Jess. No dancing. Here is the pier. Hindi naman no. Reg na lang natawag ko sa Reg.
Maybe everybody, you can just my real name.
John?
Yeah, maybe you can just.
May ladder. May
And then my co-tour guide, Mr. Jong.
John.
Jong.
ano lang, magtatalo na lang, ganun lang.
Lalapit ko tayo. Alright, sir. Everybody, boat is now ready. So one at a time.
Asan yung ano? Ayan.
Go like that.
There you go.
Hold you. Morning, sir. Morning, madam.
Naku, susulat kayo. Susulat kayo.
Mami, biscuit na!
Sige ho.
Sige ho. Ako na huli. Lamat.
Kasama pala tayong vlogger.
Oo, may vlog. Yung isa na doon. Ayan. Ano yung biglang kasunod ko? Yung bag mo lang, ako nang bala.
Sila, mabusan yung battery.
Long for short. Yes, because I'm short. So today we are going to Coron Islands. We have the 7 highlight destination. We're going to Kayangan, Barracuda, Twin Peaks, Coral Garden, Beach 91, Siwisi Beach, Twin Lagoon, and also the Balisa Sayo, Coral Garden. First stop will be the Kayangan, and then second stop will be the Twin Peaks, Coral Garden, and then third stop maybe Barracuda or Balisa Sayo. It depends on the situation, okay? If there's an altitude there at Barracuda, we will go there at the afternoon. Alright, and then after that, our best destination today is the Beach 91. You know why?
Why?
For our lunch. That's gonna be our lunch area. But before that, we're doing the trekking first, which is in Kayangan for about 367 steps. Like we have 163 up and 104 down before we reach the lake. And then we have another one, which is in Barracuda, but only 40 wooden steps, like 20 up and then 20 down.
Did they say 300 steps?
367
up
Yes.
and down.
That's 2 times. 163 up, 204 down, and then 204 up, 163
We
down.
did 724 yesterday, so
Around 700.
We're good. We're gonna survive.
Our activity today, we have
Wala na
swimming,
tuhod pagbalik nito.
snorkeling, trekking, and then
Sumasakit na
kayaking.
yung paa ko
Like
eh.
I said, we will do trekking in Kayangan and Barracuda. And then we will do kayaking to the Twin Lagoon and also to the Beach 91. And then we also have snorkeling spot to the Twin Peaks Coral Garden and then Balinsasayao Coral Garden. But those things like kayak, snorkeling gear, aqua shoes, fins is not included in our tour or review tour. So if you don't have those things, we can also rent there for about 150 for the shoes, 150 for the snorkeling gear, and then 150 for the fins. And then we also have the kayak. Let me tell you the price of the kayak first. So we have two different kind of kayak. We have the crystal kayak and then the regular kayak. The price are, we have the crystal kayak which is 1500s, and then we also have the regular kayak which for 2-seaters which is 1200s, and then we have another one regular kayak with for 3-seaters which is 1500 also. So to let you know, actually those things wasn't included in our briefing before, but so many guests complain when we are on the island because they said we didn't tell them, because once we get on the island we don't have any rental shop or rental gear, so I have to let you know, I have to
Hi, Seth.
Hi. Hi, Long.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you, Long.
At dito, blue na siya.
But the one who cooked the food is the boat crew.
Wow.
He's the real chef.
Who made the thing?
So I made these things, and
Wow.
then he made these things.
Oh, wow.
I got your guy.
Oh, may presentation.
Oh, laki ng isda, oh.
Alright, so
Laki
everyone,
ng isda, oh. Sarap, oh. Ihaw, oh.
so let's just all say, take pictures there. I want all of you there.
Okay.
Aday, masaday.
Perfect. Bigay mo sa kanya yung camera.
Grilled chicken. We have the sea grapes lato.
Sea grapes?
Yes, sea grapes lato. And then we have the tuna right here, grilled fish. And then we also have the fruit platter with the
Parot.
parrot. No, it's a kingfisher.
Kingfish.
Yeah, kingfisher. And by the way, we have duckling. Yes, and then we have this, the shrimp, and then we have this salad. Yeah. And then we have this. We have tomato and lime with chili, and then this onion. And then we have the Filipino power, the rice. All right. Hi, say hi.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la la la.